Maharashtra, the worst hit state in the country. In a major relief to those suffering from COVID-19 or have suspected symptoms, Maharashtra government have today slashed the prices of COVID-19 tests by more than half. Private labs now cannot charge more than 2,200 in Maharashtra. This comes 2 days after Mumbai's biggest private labs was banned from carrying out COVID tests for a month. And let's go across to my colleague Purva Chitnis, who's tracking this news for us in Mumbai. Purva, till now, around 4,500 were charged for COVID-19 tests by private labs, mostly in most states. Now, a cap of 2,200 means slashing of more than 50% in COVID-19 cases, test rates.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, now if anyone wants to go to a lab and get himself or herself tested, it will be 2,200. And if at all if a lab person comes to your home for collection of swabs, now that is 2,800, which earlier was 5,200. So both ways the rates are slashed, and in fact, according to the Health Minister Rajesh Tope of Maharashtra, he also says now after slashing these rates, it's now the lowest in the entire country. These rates, which now Maharashtra has 2,200 for collection of swabs at lab, that is now the lowest in the country. Now this comes in after the ban of Metropolis as well, and along with that now since the number of tests are also going up now, around 6 lakh tests have already been done in Maharashtra, and the health minister said that since there was more demand, so the rates had to be slashed because more and more people wanted to get themselves tested, but the rates were high and they couldn't do it, and now the government has slashed the rates so that more and more people can go and test themselves, so that it is easier to also detect more COVID patients in the state of Maharashtra.
Definitely, lower prices of COVID tests would enable more people to avail the service, to avail the test, who could not do it earlier because of the steep prices. Stay with us because we are continuing our focus on Maharashtra, Purva. Maharashtra, being the worst hit state in the country, has crossed the 1 lakh mark. And Mumbai, capital of Maharashtra, remains worst hit. 99% ICU beds are occupied. Government officials said hospitals have been instructed to strictly adhere to admission and discharge guidelines and only admit severely symptomatic patients to allow beds for critical patients. But on the ground, it appears this protocol is not being followed. And let's go to Purva again for more on this. Purva, 99% of ICU beds are full. What about those who are left out? Apart from hospitals, apart from COVID care centers, what else is being done? Because the numbers are only set to rise in coming days and weeks.
Absolutely. In fact, here the state government has been telling that those who have severe symptoms and those who actually require a bed are should only be given the bed in the hospitals, and the state has been saying that they are augmenting the facilities at this point as well. But it's a critical number that ICU beds are 99% full at this point. 1,181 is the capacity, and it is already full. 99% of that capacity is full. Also, interesting data is that the ventilators, even that is 94% full to the capacity, because ventilators and ICU beds are something that the patients right now need the most according to the state government data. So both of these are actually full at this point, and it's 99% full for the ICU beds, 94% capacity of ventilators already full. But the BMC authorities have been saying that they are working on augmenting this, and in the coming days definitely this is going to be their focus. But right now they really need to ramp up this facility, because every day in Mumbai at least 1,500 cases are coming up. So this is something which is very critical, and lot of these people need ICU and ventilators and even the oxygen supply. So it is very critical that at this point, when the fatalities are also rising, it is important that these facilities need to be ramped up.